Hello dear friends. Welcome back to my channel and new video. In this video we will add and set up Adsterra Payment Information, and then show you the high sources income of Adsterra. So watch the full video and don't skip. I just got this pop-up notification in my Adsterra dashboard. It shows that I can withdraw my balance from Adsterra. It asked me to fill in the payment information. For that we need to add our information like country name, our full name, and home address and select the payment method. For publishers, the minimum payout threshold is set at $100 for most payment methods, which may be a barrier for smaller publishers or those just starting out. To make sure your payout is completed on time, Adsterra asks us to provide a few details depending on preferred payment system. This information help Adsterra send you money without any delays from your or the payment system's end. Adsterra offers the following payment options: Bitcoin, PayPal, Tether, wire transfer, WebMoney and Paxum. Minimum payment threshold for Paxum and WebMoney is $5, for PayPal and Bitcoin is $100, and for wire transfers is $1,000. On Payments menu, you can read all the rule and requirement you need to know. Adsterra pay for publishers twice a month, on 1-2 and 16-17 of each month, from 9:00 am till 6:00 pm. If these dates fall on weekends or holidays, the payments will be processed on the nearest business day. To withdraw your earnings, you should reach the minimum payout amount and wait 2 weeks for the funds to be automatically released after the 2-week hold period. Your payment information should be completed before the payment period. With Adsterra statistics, you can check how many impressions you delivered within each website and even each ad placement, as you may have several placements on one website. As you can see, direct links get more impression and high income than my site in my case. I have made a video about direct link and the methods to get impression and income with it. You can see it on my channel. I have multiple unit of Adsterra Direct Link. Adsterra Direct Link is a monetization ad unit for publishers and webmasters. It does not have any visual format, only an URL. You request this unique URL from Adsterra and then put it anywhere. Using and setting up direct links is easy. You need to follow the get steps and guidance. For completing to add your payment method, go to your profile and fill up the requirements form. I suggest you, before choosing a payment method, do research about payment method, which method is suitable and approved in your country. Hope you got the video helpful. Thanks for your support and watching.